It's data engineers map ready for technology. Pyspark Basics Part 1. Pyspark Basis. After setting up environments, let's continue with the Pyspark lesson and look at some of the fundamentals of Pyspark. RDDs, which reflect as a resilient distributed datasets, are referred to as RDDs. It is the core data structure of a Spark and represents a distributed, immutable collection of objects. Data from the file system, Hadoop distributed file system, or any other supported storage system is used to construct RDDs. Example showing how to create an RDD. It's a Python code, creating a data set and then converting that data set into a RDD. Next is PySpark API, Spark Context. The gateway to the Spark API can be thought of as a Spark context to generate RDDs, which is a resilient distributed datasets. It represents the connection to a Spark cluster. You can use an RDD to carry out action on your data, including filtering or aggregating once you have in your RDD. How to create a Spark context? It is a Python code. First, importing Spark context and then creating a Spark context from that library. PySpark API is another one. SQL Context. Apache Spark's SQL Context class is used to connect to data source and run SQL queries on distributed datasets. It offers a programming interface for working with structured or semi-structured data, including data stored in external databases like MySQL, Oracle, and PostgreSQL, as well as CSV, JSON, and Parquet files. With SQL Context, you can quickly read and write data to and from these sources, do data pre-processing and cleaning, and use SQL queries and data frames to analyze and visualize the data.